pieces. And we're chewing on the bones. Hakate has her own, Estrella has her own, Dionysus has his own, and the other four are trying to share one. That's funny. That's funny. But booms are going on around us. They're muffled now, but they're still going on. We were outside. Nobody's worried. Love it. Mom's happy. She wishes she had a bone. Sorry. I don't have any extras. You can have one as soon as they're done. Ooh. Like, this one's mine. She's like, oh, fine. Don't go on the potty pad. Oy vey. Well, I did clean it off. Ugh. Dear Lord. Sassies. There you go. There you go. You can go in the kennel with it. He's like, no, I don't want to go in the kennel. I just want to go off by myself. Right? Right. Oh, they're so adorable.